Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this weight loss banana and oats smoothie, which is a really filling breakfast option and it is full of protein and good nutrients. You need to intake this smoothie during the morning in order to lose some weight, because this is a drink which is full of protein and nutrients which will help you to lose some weight. So now let us just know the list of ingredients that we will need to make this smoothie, and this serves one person. So the first thing you'll need is 1 cup of milk. You can use any milk which you like or you have. You can use almond milk, coconut milk, or the regular cow's milk. I have used the regular cow's milk. You will also need 1 banana and 2 to 3 tablespoons of oats. You can use organic or hand rolled oats, and you can also use your instant oats. You will also need 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. In case you don't have peanut butter, you can use 3 to 4 almonds. If you don't have peanut butter, that is also a good option. And we will also need a pinch of cinnamon. So now let us just mix all the ingredients into this blender to make a very healthy and filling breakfast option, which will also help you to reduce some weight. Also guys, please do not add any type of sweetener to this drink, because it will already taste sweet because of the sweetness of the banana and of the peanut butter. But please do not add any type of sugar or honey to sweeten the drink, because that will eventually lead to increase in weight, and we don't want that. We just want to shred some weight. Also guys, this recipe is really great to try during this lockdown, because it is a very healthy and filling breakfast option which will also help you to shred some weight, which is really needed during this lockdown, because I have gained a lot of weight, and since the day I've started to drink this smoothie I've been losing some weight and I'm really happy. So it's great if you try this recipe during lockdown. So you can see the consistency of the smoothie. It is quite thick and yummy. It tastes delicious and it's wonderful. So this is all for this recipe video. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video, and if you really did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Moreover, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys, take care.